Hey there, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website here, you have some great call to actions here. That will really help with your conversion rates. The form as well, this click to call, that's great to have. One thing that I would recommend here would be to have some more content. The reason is that Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. So they look through all of the content on your website, and then they see what your photos are saved as well, looking for keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout it. And one example of a keyword is Concrete Leveling Wichita, Kansas. And so when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so it's great that you guys are ranking here because the top three get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you stay ranking here is making sure that your Google business profile has more citations than these other businesses, which is your business name, phone number, and address. And then just maintaining those reviews and geotagged photos as well. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And so your website is ranking here for this keyword in the second spot. And so that is great. The top three spots are a wonderful place to be. The higher up you go, the more traffic that you will get. It's great that you're on the first page because 90% of people do stay on the first page here. But let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. So A1 Concrete Leveling and Foundation Repair. And so if we go through their website here, it'd be really easy to outdo them with the content portion of it. So let's take a look at the back end of it. So we have A1 Concrete plugged into Ahrefs here, and we're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website, and so they have 21 and 37. And what's making up these ratings here are the 367 backlinks that they have, and these backlinks are coming from 26 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, it is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are created the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are also spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional there. And then A1, they have 42 keywords on their website. Now if we go on over to yours, I have your URL plugged into Ahrefs as well. And you all have 20 and 2 coming from 382 backlinks from 43 referring domains, and you all have 242 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is boost these numbers here so that you're beating your competitor, and you would do that by getting more high quality backlinks. And then you would also want to make sure that all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you are on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would just go into these backlinks here, and then you would link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of these keywords. Concrete Leveling Wichita, Kansas. 100 people are searching for this every single month. Mudjacking, 90, 90, 80. And so as you can see here, this list just keeps going. And so in order for you to get even more traffic, you would want your website in the #1 spot for all the keywords that apply to you. So you would want more high quality backlinks, and then make sure that you have high quality content to support those buyer intent keywords. And then you are doing really well with your Google Map Pack section, just making sure that it's ranking in for all the keywords that you're interested in. And so I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.